Welcome to Superb Story Time, a time where we listen to wonderful, beautiful short stories and we draw life skills, life lessons, life values from them and become thought leaders. Story from Chicken Soup for the Soul. It's a true story. Story of a young boy. His name is Monty and lives in a ranch in a farmhouse. His father is a low wage worker. Take care of the horses, clean up the barn, and make sure the place is completely clean and all that. That's what he was doing, and his family was living with him. So Monty also used to go to a nearby school. In the school, the teacher gave an assignment. He said, "Okay, children, all of you write about what do you want to do in your life. When you grow up, what do you want to do?" That's an assignment I'm giving you. So children did different things. Somebody drew as fireman, somebody drew as engineer, somebody drew as doctor. But however, Monty took 9 pages. Yes, 9 pages he took, and he made a detailed document. He drew. There was a page which is having a drew where it says ranch, and he drew himself as a ranch owner. A person who owns 500 acres of ranch, 500-acre land. So he drew where is the ranch, where the horses are kept, where there'll be farming, where whatnot. Everything he drew in very much of detail, and he wrote all the things. Very excited. He did that the whole day. He did it. Went and gave it his weekend project. Whole weekend he did. Went and gave it to his teacher. So what happened? His teacher was seeing one by one. Teacher looked at this thing and just saw Monty. Monty, come to the staff room. I want to see you in the staff room. So Monty was not sure. Monty went to the staff room. Monty said, the teacher said, "See, please rethink, redo your project again. This is unreasonable. How can you achieve all this? 500 acres of ranch, then this thing 150 horses, what not, cars, house, farm, this, barn, all that. Think about it. I know you, I know your family, I know your father very well. I respect all of that. But however, I'm giving you a fail, F. Now I will give you some more time. I don't want to fail you. I'll give you some more time. I'll give you 1 week's time. 1 week, think it over and make something which is realistic. This is very vague. What is it? This is impossible. Young Monty was very devastated. He was feeling very bad. What happened? Why happened? Went to his father. And he told his father, Father, this is what happened. See, this is what I drew. And the teacher said that this is a fail. See, put fail there. And what do I do? Father, what should I do? Father thought for a while and said, Monty, you need to decide this. It's your life. It's your choice that you need to make. If you want to give this up, then it's your life. You want to give it up? It's up to you. It's it's your decision. I don't want to tell you what to do. I will not tell you what to do. It's your dream. So go ahead. Monty thought about it day one, day two, day five, day seven, finally decided that yes, he's not going to change. He went and told the teacher, this is what is my this thing. I'm okay. I'll keep F. I'll keep my dream. You keep your F. Your F, let it be there. And I will keep my dream. Whatever happens, I will not sacrifice my dream. The teacher was, okay, fine, go. It was forgotten. Now, 20 years later, when Monty was 28 years, that happened when he was just 7, 8 years old. And 20 years later, this same teacher had brought some children to a ranch, some children to show what a ranch, real ranch is. They take them for this field trips, right? So he took some of his all children and all, took to the same ranch which belonged to Monty. Monty had achieved his dream exactly the way he wanted, and in fact, even better. And when he came there, when he reached there, he Monty recognized him. He couldn't recognize, the teacher couldn't recognize. He went and said, "Sir, please wait, I want to show you something." He went back, got those pieces of paper and he showed it. He said, "Do you remember this?" He said, "I do not remember." "Sir, you gave me a fail, you gave me an F." And he narrated the entire incident. "This is what happened 20 years ago. You gave an assignment, write and draw about your goals and every other things. I drew all of this. And see, you gave me an F." And this is what the teacher said. "Yes, I have been sometimes like a dream killer. I'm so happy that you did not. You told me to keep my F and you'll keep your dream. I'm so happy. I have been a dream killer of sorts. And it's so happy to see." Called all the children and narrated the story. Yeah. So this is what will happen. Many people will kill your dreams. But what you need to do? Now it's your turn. It's your turn. Tell me, what did you learn and what you need to do? Yes, hold on to your dreams, treasure it, protect it. Mostly protect it. Protect it from anybody who tells you that it cannot. Because what happens? It gives something called a self-doubt. Will I be able to make it? Will I be able to reach? The moment the self-doubt comes in, it creeps in. And that is where things will start to become dismay. It will start to become doubtful. And then when there is a doubt, there is nothing else. The dreams and doubts don't exist together. They're just dreams. With dreams, there are several Ds: being definite, being determined, being diligent, being dedicated, being devoted. But doubt doesn't exist. So please don't. The Monty thought for a week. And he kept his willpower. No, I will keep my dream. Whatever it is. There is dreams and doubts don't exist together. Keep up your dreams, work towards it every single day. You're all young champions, young leaders. Be dreamers and work on it with discipline, with dedication. Get them done rather than just believing and listening to somebody else. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.